3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll go. Used to have a silver tip, but that was just a pop. Okay, let's go. Bada bam bam, bada bam boom. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Yes. So from here, we want to go bam. This is called the party machine. Tap, tap, tap. So more like tap, 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 tap. Yes. But now you want to like 4 on both sides to have more impact. 5, 6, go. Bam, bam, bam. Tap, 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 tap. Yes. So 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Bam, 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 bam. So it's your legs are together. So you open up. Bam, back, bam, back, bam, back, bam, back. So let's train the hands now. Wherever you fall to and your leg comes up there, that's where your hand goes to. 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. So 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2. A little bit faster. 5, 6, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, go. Bam, bam. You know the Wu-Tang already, yes? Yeah. So this is like halfway. Do you know the full move? So it's 1, 2. This is the full Wu-Tang. Yeah, but now we're going to do it halfway. 1 and 2, row. Yeah, so you extend this with a row. Then he says, run it back. Yes, so you just want to roll this way. Yeah. So the first one goes like this, row and run it back. Yes. Yes, fast. So from the Wu-Tang, 5, 6, go. 1, 2, ta-da-ta, run it back. The first one, like this, run it back like this.
This one faster than this one.
Yes. 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, go. 1 and 2, ta-da-ta, run it back. Yes. One more. 5, 6, and 7, go. 1 and 2, ta-da-ta, run it back. Nice. So from top down to that point, 5, 6, and 7, go. Bam, bam, whoa, bada, bam, bam. Step, 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 and turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and bam. Have to extend here, bam. So let's go from here and transition into this. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 4 times. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and bam, bam, ta da ta, run it back. Yes. Run it back. You just go immediately into this one. Yeah. So from here, 5, 6, go. Ta da ta, run it back, and bam, tap, tap, bam. Good. Bam, 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 bam. So this comes high. So don't try to, I see you trying to take your body down instead of bringing your knees up. It's the opposite. So 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, 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 bam. Nice. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Bam, 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 bam. Perfect. Then we'll go the other way 3 times now. 1, 2, bam. Nice. Ta, ta. 1, 2. Then forward. 1, 2, stop. So 1, 2, stop. Yeah, 5. Just forward now. 1, 2, stop. So from here, 1, 2, stop. Jump, jump. 1, 2, stop. Let's try it together. 1, 2, go. Jump, jump. 1, 2, stop. One like this. Yeah. Yeah. Ta, 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 ta. Yes. So side to side, forward, forward. 5, 6, go. pa, pa. Perfect. 5, 6, go. Nice. So from here, put it together to here. 5, 6, 7, go. Pa, 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 bam, 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 and ta, 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 ta. Nice. Okay. Whoa. Bada bam. Boom. Step, 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 and stop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And bam, bam. Ta da ta. Run it back. 1, 2, and bam, 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 and bam. Ta 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 ta. From here again, 5, 6, go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Tap and finish. One more. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Jump. 1, 2. Jump. 1. Cross. Yes. 5, 6, and 7. Go. Jump. 1, 2. Jump. 1. Okay, just here now. Open, then cross. 5, 6. Go. Jump. Tap. One more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Jump. 1. 5, 6, 7. Go. Jump. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6. Go. Jump. Tap. Tap. Finish.
Hey, used to have a silver tooth when I was just a pup, yeah. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the pumps. So I don't wanna catch the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. Got a shorty clean the pendants, I'm a diamond and to run it back. Used to have a silver tooth when I was just a pup. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the I don't wanna catch the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. I let shorty clean the pendants, I'm a diamond in the rough. Hey, first order of biz, no snitch. And I try to keep it silent, but the kids don't listen. Happy birthday, got another hit.